You've set up your company, you're ready to scale, but there is one problem. No bank wants to give you an account. Crypto, gaming, fintech, or nutra, if you're considered high risk, traditional banks in Europe usually say no. And without a dedicated IBAN, you cannot send, receive, or scale. So why does this happen? And what's the solution? Hey, I'm Alex, and today we are breaking down how high-risk businesses can finally open dedicated IBAN accounts in Europe. Xpaid specializes in solving these problems for Web3, gaming, fintech, and other industries that banks often reject. We'll cover why banks decline these clients, what documentation you really need, and how Xpaid makes IBAN access possible even if your traditional banks won't touch you. Traditional banks run under strict EU rules, AML directives, MiCA regulations, and heavy compliance obligations. To them, high-risk industries look like trouble, too much monitoring, too much regulational risk, too high compliance costs. The result? IBAN discrimination. Even if your company is fully legal in the EU, you can face frozen accounts or straight-up rejections. Between 2021 and 2023, over 3,500 businesses in France and Spain reported being denied banking access, but not because they broke rules, but because they were considered too risky. The first step is getting your paperwork right. Most rejections happen because documentation is incomplete. What you will need: incorporation documents, proof of funds, UBO declarations, and clear description of your business activity. Inconsistent or missing paperwork is the fastest way to a rejection. Here's the truth. Legacy banks aren't built for high-risk industries. That's why more businesses are turning to risk-friendly providers like Xpaid. As a licensed company, Xpaid offers crypto wallets and dedicated IBAN accounts designed for high-risk companies. What's the difference? Transparent onboarding, risk models adapted to crypto, gaming, and fintech, compliance teams that actually understand your industry, and that's way you stay fully legal without the fear of sudden shutdowns. Once approved, your businesses get a euro-dedicated IBAN. But here's the game changer. With Xpaid, your IBAN can be linked to a stablecoin on and off-ramp infrastructure. That means that you get faster settlement, smooth cross-border payments, the ability to combine traditional banking rails with digital assets, and your partners can pay you in fiat or stablecoins, and you stay fully compliant. Access to banking shouldn't be a privilege. High-risk businesses, from Web3 to gaming to fintech, deserve fair, compliant financial services. With Xpaid, you get dedicated IBANs that combine stability, compliance, and crypto integration. So while traditional banks say no, Xpaid ensures you can say yes to growth, speed, and global reach. If you're any business struggling to open an account, don't waste months fighting with legacy banks. Check the link below and talk to Xpaid, your partner for dedicated IBAN access and seamless crypto integration, because your businesses deserve banking that work as fast as you do.